In this video I'm going to show you like the case of this Galeno Metallics, which is an IHT consumer in Borneo Raja Bagan. And what happened with this consumer is that we went there on the 3rd of June 2025, and what I found was that the kind of metering they use is the combined set is 3-phase 3-wire, whereas the meter is 3-phase 4-wire. And I have found also the connection to be wrong, because what happened, I don't know whether it was intentional or it was a mistake, because what happened in Y phase S1 and S2 were found to be shorted at the meter terminal. You see there in the video that we took on the 3rd of June, the red wire is shorted S1 and S2 of Y phase, which is actually illegal, because you cannot do that. Had it been done by this consumer, I mean, they would have to pay huge compensation, maybe amounting to say 24 lakhs, something like that. They may have to pay, because in the compensation that I have given in this letter is only 8 lakh. So what happened was that when such a thing is done, then what happened, the energy meter that you see, they could record only 83.33%, and 16.3% is a loss because of the wrong meter connection they have shorted. Okay, the wire also enters through S1 S2, but then it was also at the same time shorted. So we will see if that is the case, then what happened with the, okay, they may ask like how you got this 83.3% or how that 16.3% is lost. Well, I'll show you here. For example, like if everything in a 3-phase power system, R plus Y plus B, the energy recorded by all the phases should be equal to the total energy. Okay, that's what gives you the total. But in case of 3-phase system, normally the system is balanced. That is, R should be equal to Y should be equal to B. We are talking about the power or the energy, right? Because if multiplied by T it becomes energy. Then if that is the case, that means R plus R you can say is equal to T. Implies that 3R is equal to T, or implies that the total energy is nothing, is the thrice of any of the phases. You may take R or Y or B. Okay, that is question number 1. But in the case of Galeno Metallics, since you already saw in the picture, so what happened if this is the case, then the energy recorded will be the same thing, only R plus, but in Y it is nothing, it is not Y, because they have shorted S1 and S2. It will be Y by 2. Half of it will enter through the meter and half of it will enter through the red wire that you see in the picture in the video, plus B, all right, is equal to, say this is T dash. Okay, this is total energy recorded by the meter because of the wrong metering work, because of Y phase is bypassed actually. So what happened if this is the case, since you still have to use this formula that R is balanced, plus it will be this, right? This is the case, right? So it will be, it record half only, so it will be R by 2 plus here also R is equal to T dash. Implies that if you calculate T dash, you will get how much? T dash will be equal to 5 R by 2. All right, so this is equation 2. So the energy recorded by the meter because of wrong metering correction, they shorted S1 and S2, will be T dash, how much percentage, divided by T into 100. How much you're getting? T dash is 5 R by 2 divided by 3R into 100. You are getting 83.33%. okay, so this much only is recorded by the meter. In other words, we can say that the loss is how much? The loss is 16.33%, right? We saw there 16.33. all right, so this is how you have got the statement. They may ask you like how you have got this value. So this is how you have calculated, and this is also how you have got, right? So thank you.